Yo, what's up, guys? You've probably heard that bats were behind the whole COVID thing, right? But here's the real shocker. COVID wasn't the only one. Scientists have found at least 6 more potentially deadly viruses hiding inside bats. Yup, these little night-flying creatures are like flying virus factories, and we've barely scratched the surface. Want to know what kind of deadly surprises they might still be hiding? Let's break it down. It's creepier than you think. If this blew your mind just a little, hit that like button right now, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the bell. I've got loads more crazy, real facts coming your way. You seriously don't want to miss them. You thought COVID-19 was the big one? Think again. It was just the beginning of something far more terrifying. In the darkest corners of the world, deep caves, dense jungles, silent trees, there's a creature hiding in plain sight. The bat. Small, silent, and surprisingly powerful. You see, bats aren't just flying mammals. They're like nature's secret laboratories, carrying viruses that most of us have never even heard of. COVID-19, the virus that changed the world, likely came from a bat. But here's the twist. It wasn't the only one. Scientists have discovered at least 6 other deadly viruses inside bats. 6, each with the potential to cause a new outbreak, a new pandemic, or something even worse. Names like Nipah, Hendra, Marburg, and Ebola all have one thing in common. They're connected to bats, and they kill fast. These viruses don't make bats sick. Bats carry them like a backpack. No symptoms, no signs, just quiet passengers along for the ride. And here's the scary part. Sometimes these viruses jump from bat to pig, from pig to human, from jungle to city, from one person to millions. All it takes is one tiny mutation, one change in the virus's code, and boom, we've got a global crisis on our hands. Imagine someone eating fruit contaminated by bat saliva, or stepping into a cave filled with bat droppings, or simply living near a forest where bats fly freely. That's all it takes to start the next outbreak, and most of us, we wouldn't even know it happened until it's too late. By the time the first symptoms show up, the virus may have already spread to other cities, countries, continents. Flights don't just carry passengers, they carry pandemics. Meanwhile, scientists are in a race against time. They're studying, testing, building vaccines, but nature is always one step ahead because bats don't stop flying, viruses don't stop mutating, and the next global threat, it's already brewing somewhere right now. We don't know its name. We don't know when it will strike, but we do know where it might come from a cave, from a tree, from a bat. So next time you see one flying overhead, just remember, COVID was only the first whisper. The next scream could be just around the corner. All right, Brainiacs, that's today's freaky fact. The animal kingdom's got secrets and we're just getting started. If you learned something cool or got a little spooked, show some love with a like, smash that subscribe, and send this to your curious friends.